What is up, family? I was wondering if you guys knew that the world's largest model train museum was in Gulfport, Mississippi. At least that's what they told me. There's only one way to find out. Let's go. Come on, buddy. We at Traintastic. Go over here. Like, can you go stand back there? Yeah. All right, stop.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I've become.
Yeah, guys, so we're in Gulfport, Mississippi at Traintastic. This is supposed to be the world's largest model train museum. I actually came here about 2 years ago when they were just opening in this location with my daughter when she was still preggo, and Langston, he was a lot smaller. And now we're back. We got to get our seat on the train, guys. We're at Traintastic Museum. You want to sit on the train? Choo choo. You ready? Okay, let's see. I don't know. Press it. It made the train go. It did. When you press the button, that's what it did, huh? Come on. So you guys know, Langston and I love trains. We do ride the Amtrak trains occasionally. So now that he's a little older, I thought it would be nice to come here where he can really appreciate all the model trains. Oh, I think it's gonna make another train come, Langston. Oh, it's up there. Yeah, you think it's gonna come around? Oh, this is the European here. Wow. Oh, it went. The plane is flying. Do you like that? Yeah. This is pretty cool.
Yeah, it looks pretty airplane.
Yeah. Oh, and then look, there is another one over here. Where's he going?
There's the other one going top.
Yeah. What kind of train is this? Oh, it is Thomas. It is Thomas the Train and Friends. So yeah, guys, we're gonna go. The train driver just came and tell us that he thinks it's gonna rain, so we should get our little train ride, our little outdoor train ride in now. So we will go and get that now, and then we'll come back in here and finish looking at all of the trains. It's a train ride. They even have some little trains out here. Let's go get in line. We're taking our little train ride adventure. Oh, wow. Lanky, are you riding a train? Huh? Yeah? Oh, we're going in the tunnel.
Really? The tunnel?
Yeah.
Rock?
Yeah, they got giant rocks. Okay. You hit all of those buttons? That's pretty cool. It's a little Thomas the Train. Blanky, you were a good train driver. You know that? All right. Yeah. We're gonna come back in here, look at a few more models. Oh, you gonna press that button? Oh! Wow.
Hey, why you on? What's it up?
Hey! I gotta press it again. Wow. You want me to press it again? Okay. Hi, Langston. It's so many trains in here, guys. If you are a train lover, you would definitely enjoy this place. Oh, okay, this is the Minnesota rail line. Come on, let's go check it out, Link.
Okay.
Oh, I see they have a train going way back there.
Yeah.
The store. Yeah. How cool is this? Oh, let it go. This is the Lego train. Look at this world.
It's a transform Lego.
Yeah.
A rocket Lego.
Wow. Look at y'all guys. It's the Eiffel Tower.
And the plane is in my car. Oh my god. This is the button.
You can press the button. Go ahead. Look.
It's being very real. But that's one thing.
Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep. So long, farewell, bye-bye. Let's have a toast for those lost old lives. And my crooked little heart that seems so rebellious is falling apart right now. I'm bleeding, an easy kill, gonna leave it all behind. I think it's time for me.
Yeah, I'm shiny, guys. I'm here. A little bit of time outside got me hot already, but yeah, we're gonna finish looking at the trains and then go play.
All I know, I got lost along the way. Fell between the fold, pulling stitches. Time to let go, so come what may.
Wow. Oh, look, you can press this button. Look right here, Langston. Press the button. Oh, there it goes. The train is starting. They going.
What that button do?
I don't know. That one didn't make nothing go. I'm not sure. Oh, you see that train coming?
You hit the button, that train gun.
How cool. This is Domino's. The first Domino's store was in Biloxi, and it's headquartered in Gulfport. Wow, I didn't know that. You see them doing the pizza? How stinking cool. Look, they even got the pizza truck bringing all the pizza. So yeah, guys, there's lots of different little play areas and interactive things for the kids. I'm gonna take Langston to the play area and let him have some fun. There's a whole play area here, the slides, and this. Yeah, I think you just unlock it, Langston. So 4 and under only. Oh, Langston, this is a little kiddie area. So very nice in here. So yeah, I'm gonna let my boy get some playtime in, and I will check back in with you guys when we're ready to head out. Go Thomas. You riding that Thomas the train? Look, Link. Ooh. Yeah. So guys, you could even have birthday parties over here. They have different engine rooms, the create room, the builder room. Yeah, so it's definitely a really cool place if you are ever in Gulfport, Mississippi. You done with Thomas?
Go, Tommy. Yeah.
All right. You put the ball in it, put it in the big hole, watch. Yeah, and then you gotta move it this way.
What do I need to do?
I don't know. Oh, look, over here. I think you work it over there. This is a historic Amtrak sign from Mobile, Alabama. The train that stopped in 05, but will be starting again in, yeah, less than a month. August 18th, if I remember correctly. So yeah, we'll have Amtrak service in Mobile, Alabama again. Pull the train horn one more time, Langston. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
The Model Train Museum, guys. I can buy you some popcorn, Langston. Well, he had a great time. I enjoyed myself as well. A nice little 2 hours of train themed fun. But yeah, I mean, you could definitely come and spend longer here if you want. But there's only like snacks, no food place. So, you know, that might be, another family told me they had left, came back, went eating and came back and finished off their day. So I guess that's the option. They give you a little bracelet. So I guess you can just come back in. Got us a little souvenir pick, guys. Really loved it. Look at the little steam coming off the bottom of the track. But yeah, so we have us a nice little memory. Mom and Link at the train museum. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I definitely do recommend Traintastic if you have a little train lover in your life, even if you're a big kid at heart and you just enjoy trains. They say this is the world's largest model train museum. I don't know that much about model train museums, but I'm gonna say that there is a lot to do here. I didn't film every single thing, but please feel free to come by, check it out, and you know, see all of the models and trains and everything that they have to offer here. Lots of activities for the kids. So thank you guys for hanging with us at Traintastic at the Train Museum. So I hope you guys have been enjoying the vlog. Langston's little pre-back to school, multiple little turn-ups. So yeah, definitely had a good time with him and sharing it with you guys. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, tell a friend, be a friend, share a video. Thanks for continuing to support Naomi the RN Travels. To everybody that I met today while I was in the train museum, thanks for checking out the channel, and Peace.
I've said so many times when summer comes around, I'll be ready for the ride. I'll be ready this time. I'll be ready for it all.